Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use and how to get index tokens in PetsGo. So first of all, what we're gonna make sure is that you already upgraded to C Pets Index. So go to your upgrade bar and go to trading. Unlock trading. And then on your left side, you're gonna see pet index. Unlock that one, and this will show every pet that you get from rolling. And then make sure you unlock also this index shop, because that will give you the ability to earn tokens from collecting pets. So those are the first one that we need to upgrade to be able to see pets index. And just go on this side. I will show you on the map. You see where I am. So you can go in, and here you see your collection, and you also see the other pets that you don't have, that you haven't rolled and haven't collected yet. As you can see, you can scroll down, see all that you have, and go to the next pages. Over here are extremely rare pets. And for every pet that you get, you will get 1 token for a new pet. What you also can do, you can go to upgrade if you have more money and unlock advanced index shop and also unlock this collection expert, because that will give you extra token for the double pets that you have, for actually for the every 35 of the same pet that you index. So that's also very good. And also you can continue, of course, when you have enough money for that. But that will make your rolling and collecting index token actually a lot faster. And when you actually collect some token, you can go to your pets over here, see all of the pets that you have. Over here are only the pets that you have. And if you go into your items, you can scroll down, and here you can see how much of the index token you have collected already. So that's all about the indexing. And what we can do now, we can actually just start rolling and collect them. What also we can do, we can experiment with those eggs over here, swap the egg, maybe go to lower or higher eggs so you can get different tiers that you miss. And also what we can do if we miss some from the collection, we can go to trading and try trading with somebody. Like, you can see what you miss from your inventory, actually from your pets index. Go to the index here. And for example, we missed ghost cat. That's probably easy to find, but we didn't. And probably some of the guys on the servers and girls, they have it. So you can start asking people if they have some of those, and you can trade them for the double pets that you have, because you probably will have a lot of doubles. As you can see, I even have this one, Cyberpunk Cat double, and that is very rare. I can trade that for a lot of simple pets that I don't have, for example. But I need to go and talk to people, find some friends, make friends on the server, and start asking if they have something that I miss, or if I have something that they miss, so we can trade and exchange our pets. You should also know that if you get a new pet out of rolling, you will get this kind of sign saying new on your screen next to your pet, or rather above your pet. So that's how you see if you got some new pet. And when you get new index coins and you want to use them, you just go to shop icon over here in the index and you can buy whatever you want. As you can see, you can get very good potions over here, which will change your gameplay drastically. And that would be all for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.